Hi, this is Rick Tharp of RX Kinetics with a demonstration of the Antibiotic Kinetics program. In this first installment, I'd like to give you an introduction to the program, describe the program layout, and summarize the major functions of Antibiotic Kinetics. The first screen you see when you start a program is the disclaimer screen. If you accept that disclaimer, click the Accept button. It brings you to the main program window and the Patient Data tab. Antibiotic Kinetics uses a tabbed interface. Across the top of the screen are some notebook-style tabs. You click on those to move between the major functions of the program. So the tabs are used to separate major functions. We have patient data, we have prospective and retrospective dosing tabs. With Antibiotic Kinetics, no patient data is saved. Each time you start up the program, you're presented with a blank screen. Therefore, the program is HIPAA compliant. You don't have to worry about locking down the program, keeping track of who has accessed the program, because no patient data is saved. Across the top of the screen is the menu bar. Just click on a topic name to view a submenu. We click on File, we'll see New, which clears the screen, Patient Data tab, for entry of a new patient. You have a print function, which allows you to print a consult form. You can also access the drug model editor here, and you can exit the program via the File menu. You'll also notice there are some keyboard shortcuts. And these are combinations of the Control key and another key. For example, to clear the patient data for a new patient, you can hold the Control key down and press the N key. Under the View menu, you can view a graph of the recommended dose, a graph of the serum levels of the recommended dose. You can calculate some pharmacodynamic parameters under this menu. Under the Help menu, you can see a table of contents of the help file, and Antibiotic Kinetics comes with a comprehensive help file which describes all the functions of the program and also all of the equations and formulas used and the references. I did want to mention also that the help system of Antibiotic Kinetics is context aware. That is, at any point within the program, if you're stuck, you need help, you need additional information about where you're working at, just press the F1 key on your keyboard and a relevant help topic will pop up. So help is everywhere within the program. Also under the Help menu, you can view website FAQs, and these are general troubleshooting information, some examples, tips, further explanations. If you're using an unregistered version of the program, you can register the program here. Antibiotic Kinetics is marketed under the shareware concept, which means that this program is free for you to try and test. There's no time limit on your trial period. If you find the program useful in your practice, we ask that you register. Registration fee is a very small, piddly little $25. And with that registration fee, it unlocks the Bayesian algorithms that are built into the program. Under Help, the final thing under Help is the About, which simply displays a version, dialog, and an email link. Under the menu bar is the toolbar, and the toolbar is just a collection of icons which are shortcuts to the most frequently used menu functions. The help shortcut is a shortcut to the table of contents of the help file. This is the view graph shortcut. You can view a graph of the serum levels of your recommended dose. This is a shortcut to the print function, and here's a shortcut to the new function, and last here is a shortcut to exit the program. So that's a general overview of antibiotic kinetics, a description of the program layout, and a summary of the major functions.